Hello friends, today I want to show you how we can control extra space between words in Word file. I use different methods. In first method, just select the paragraph you want to remove extra space between words, then from home, find and replace, select replace. Here just shift number 6, you get our symbol, and write W which belong to this. Then just apply one space, one, replace all. You see, we made 160 replacement in your selection for all document I don't need. You see how effectively it fixes extra space between the words. Let's do another method, the second method. Here I recommend you to click button high show. Here I recommend you to click this button in paragraph. Okay, you see it show us how much spaces we have between the words. Then from replace we can remove or replace the spaces we have. For example, let us replace 1, 2, 3, 3 by 1 space. Replace all. 33 replacement is done. For all your document, no, I don't need. Still we have here 5 replacement. Let us replace. Find how much space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Replace with 1. 3 replacement is done. More. We have 3. Find 1, 2, 3. And replace with 1. 8 replacement is done. Still we have 3 replacements. Okay. 1, 2, 3 with 1. 3 replacement. You see now it's very good. Here we have 2. 1, 2 with 1. 5 replace. Now it is so good. But here as you see, we have one space, but it's too much because we need manual hyphen here. Just manually put hyphen, it will be very good. For example here, Joe, Morpho, here you just put hyphen. You see we fixed this extra space, and now a very good paragraph is ready to use. I think that's all to control extra space between words in Word document. See you in next tutorial. Have a nice time.